So yeah, hello everyone, this is Ayushi and you are watching this video on my YouTube channel Ayushi Artifacts. So today we are going to talk about how to start a YouTube channel, especially an art channel. So what I have done is I have decided what is my specialty. Very first we can discuss this do you want to start a YouTube channel just for earning? If yes, then please don't, because it literally requires a lot of hard work, lot of time consuming process, because you need to show up every day, like every day, and it is not easy to show up every day when you have to shoot your own self, your own videos, your own artwork. About that, you have to be editor also, you have to be like photographer also, you have to be like a shooter also. So everything needs to require a lot of patience and time. So you just focus on what is your goal with the YouTube art channel. If it is your journey that you just want to explore your art process, practice your art, or want to go further in your art skills, then you can start it. Because you are not sure when this channel will give you earning, and when you will start a good amount of earning that you can skip your regular work and start this YouTube channel professionally full time. And the second thing is you need to decide your niche, what kind of art you want to make. Like in my case, I am particularly focusing on dye canvases. I am spreading awareness about the pest management, so I am collecting all kind of packaging boxes that are printed and have colored from the outer side, and have white finishing or off white finishing from the other side, where I can draw. So yeah, this is my journey. Initially at the COVID time, I started it just to spare my time, or not say started, this is where I have restarted my art journey, because from my childhood I was involved in it. But yeah, bit of career pressure, I just forgot to continue with the art thing. So yeah, this is how my journey is. So I started my YouTube channel with name Ayushi Artifacts. So yeah, this is how I have decided my niche. You can decide it yours, like what you want to do. You want to do painting, you want to do the traditional Indian art form, you want to do the modern art form, or you want to do doodling or mandala art or something of your own. So you can decide your niche first, because that is the very basic thing if you are starting a channel. Because in a lot of people around there on the platform, you have to be your own version, you have to be unique, you have to set your USP so that people can come and watch on your channel, what you're offering and what is different on your channel, that they are not gonna find it anywhere else. And instead of that, decide the topics. Like you can see the trending shorts or trending videos of the similar kind of artists on YouTube, like what they are creating, what they are offering to their audience. So just create same kind of art, or just create the trending art version, so that you have that opportunity of grabbing the audience fast. Because if you are doing something that people are not interested in, then no one is gonna search it and no one is gonna watch it. So yeah, you can think on it, what is the thing that I love, and what is the thing that people love, and the combination of that, just like a ikigai, like what you like and what people like, and the middle in between, what is good for you and the audience. So yeah, you can decide it this, the topics of your videos. And the next thing is just just shoot them and upload them. Don't think lot, don't think lot, I'm telling you, don't think a lot. Because it is like that, if you are thinking a lot, then that is not gonna make anything, nothing is gonna happen with that, and you are not gonna be very perfect overnight. So just upload it day by day, editing by editing, or work by work, shoot by shoot, photography by photography. You will learn things, and you will know what you are doing and what you can improve in it, and what you can create in it differently, that people will love it. So yeah, you can do it like this. So what we have done is, first of all, decide why you are starting this YouTube art channel. Second, decide what is your niche. and thirdly decide what are the topics you will be working on, and the fourth, just upload it. Like, don't think much, please don't think much and upload it. And yeah, it will require a lot of hard work, lot of time, because I have also started it just initially, and I am also not a pro in it. I am just starting this and experiencing things and uploading daily shorts. Like, initially I have started with shorts, and right now I am starting with full videos on topics that I like. And so yeah, this is how I have started and creating things on YouTube. So you can also start it. Like, let's together make this platform work for us, like an artist or self-taught artist. So yeah, this is how it is. You just start your channel and just wait and watch and just embrace your journey of an artist, or just create things which you like, which audience will gonna like. So that yeah, this is how it is. So thank you so much. Bye bye. And just have a look, like where I am sitting and where I am standing or recording this video. Yeah, like, let me show you. So this is where I have recorded this video upside of this shed. So yeah, that's why you have just seen like a teen, or what it is called, shed. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.